Jan. That was a key facilitator in negotiations that led to the Oslo Peace Accords in 1993. Jan, you have seen it all. It's one thing I keep hearing from all of our guests is that they haven't seen anything quite like this and the scale at which all of this is happening right now.
And what Israel has come with is an impossible and illegal order of enforced relocation. So don't talk about it as if it was a humanitarian evacuation. It's what is described in the Geneva Conventions as forcible transfer. It's a war crime according to international law. Israel has to reverse this order. The schools, the hospitals, and so on, civilian housing are sacrosanct under international law. We all have to fight terror and terrorism that Israel was struck with so horribly this weekend. But don't smash the everything around 1 million children. This would be terrible also for Israel's long-term security. There would be a generation of hatred here.
So Jan, given your history and expertise in this region and in this conflict, when Israel is warning and sending out messages for those in Gaza to flee south, and Hamas is telling them to remain in place, ultimately, who is responsible in terms of the safety of Palestinians?
To smash entire civilian cities is disproportionate. It's a violation of international law, and it's not in the interest of Israel. Let's all work to see a ceasefire now. Too many children have died.
What do you think is going to unfold?
I think it's a horrific situation. It's going to be much, much worse in the coming days. Now, a siege on an entire population. There are 2.4 million people in Gaza. It's like no other place on earth. 1 million of the 2.4 million are children. And then they declare now, the Israeli side, that they will cut food, water, electricity, fuel. It's going to amount to war crimes if children are going to starve and die in hospitals because of lack of electricity, for example.